Hi CSU Rams, my name is Nancy Ganem. I'm a senior in dietetics at CSU, and today we'll be making this lovely personal pizza.
The ingredients you will need for this recipe are 1 whole wheat English muffin, 1/4 cup olives, 1/4 cup bell peppers, you can use any color, red or yellow, I'm using green, 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese, and 1/4 cup pizza sauce. So if you don't have these ingredients available or don't have one of them, feel free to substitute them. Here's a list of some ingredients you can substitute. For the bread, you can use bagel, sliced bread, pizza dough, tortilla, pita bread. For the toppings, you can use any type of veggies you have, like corn, mushrooms, jalapenos, tomatoes, pineapple. Also feel free to use any type of meat. For our recipe today, we're not using any meat, but please make sure to thoroughly and fully cook your meat before placing it on the pizza, because the time in the oven for the pizza to cook is not going to be enough for the meat to fully cook. You could use grilled chicken, ground beef, sausage, pepperoni, bacon, and you could use pasta sauce instead of the pizza sauce. You can use barbecue sauce, pesto sauce, white sauce, and any type of shredded cheese. And yeah, here's an easy and quick way to cut your bell peppers. First, you want to cut it into smaller pieces, even smaller, and just chop it into tinier pieces, about that size, to make sure it fits on the pizza. It's not too large. First, you want to start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees, so by the time you finish assembling your pizza, it's ready to be thrown in the oven. After that, you want to make sure that all the ingredients are ready and that you've chopped all your veggies. And then you want to take a spoon, take your pizza sauce or whatever sauce you choose to use, and then just spread it over the English muffin, like so. I'm gonna do one English muffin with you guys, and then I'm gonna do the rest on my own. So after you spread it, you wanna add your cheese. Oops. And then you can add your olives, or the veggies, or whatever meat you also choose as part of your topping. So for this one, I'm only adding olives, and for this one here, I'm adding bell peppers and olives. And for your baking sheet, you can use a non-stick baking sheet like the one I have, or you can use aluminum foil or parchment paper to place it underneath the English muffins before they go in the oven. Now that I'm all done with them, it's time to put them in the oven. Wait for 10 minutes and then they're ready to eat. For the storage recommendations, the cooked a personal pizza could last in the fridge for up to 3 days. Wrap them in aluminum foil or plastic wraps or Ziploc and keep them in the fridge again for 3 days, or you can keep them in the freezer for up to 3 months. Make sure to wrap them in aluminum foil or put them in a container to prevent freezer burn. And then to reheat them, take them out of the fridge, put them in the microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, and then take them out from the freezer, put them in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes, or put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. The pizza is now ready, and it's time to take it from the oven. Please make sure you take them out safely by wearing your oven mitts. It smells really good. One English muffin counts as a serving, but you can have it with a side of roasted veggies, a salad, a juice, or milk, or just water. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.